Hello and welcome back my dear students. Today in general knowledge subject we are going to study Prime Ministers of India. Children, as we all know, India is a democratic country. The citizens of India elects the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister serves for 5 years. Let's see the list of Prime Ministers who served India from the day of independence till now. First is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. He was the Prime Minister for 4 times, as you can see on the screen. 15th August 1947 to 15th April 1952. Then 15th April 1952 to 17th April 1957. Then third time 17th April 1957 to 2nd April 1962. Okay. Then the last fourth time 2nd April 1962 to 27th May 1964. Okay. Now let's see the next one. Gulzari Lal Nanda. Gulzari Lal Nanda was the acting Prime Minister of India for 2 short periods following the death of Jawaharlal Nehru in 1964 and Lal Bahadur Shastri in 1966. Means he was only short period of Prime Minister. Okay, from the year 27th May 1964 to 9th June 1964. Then again 11th January 1966 to 24th January 1966. Our next Prime Minister was Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri served as the second Prime Minister of India. His tenure as Prime Minister lasted only 19th month due to his sudden death. So the year was 9th June 1964 to 11th January 1966. So children, because of his sudden death, only the 19th month he remained as a Prime Minister of India. Okay. Now see the children, next Prime Minister, Indira Gandhi. Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi was the first and only female Prime Minister of India. Okay. Indira Gandhi was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of India. Okay, so she was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru. 4 times she served as a Prime Minister. Here also she was the 4 times Prime Minister. Let's see the year. 24th January 1966 to 4th March 1967. Then the second time from 4th March 1967 to 15th March 1971. Then the third time she became Prime Minister in the year 15th March 1971 to 24th March 1977. Then the fourth time again she became Prime Minister from 14th January 1980 to 31st October 1984. Understood children? Let's see the next Prime Minister. Morarji Desai. Morarji Desai was the 4th Prime Minister of India and led the government formed by the Janata Party. Okay, he was the Prime Minister from the 24th March 1977 to 28th July 1979. Okay. Our next Prime Minister was Charan Singh. Okay. Chaudhary Charan Singh served as the 5th Prime Minister of India. He was the 5th Prime Minister. Okay. And he was referred as the champion of India's peasant. And he became Prime Minister in the year 28 July 1979 to 14 January 1980. Okay. So children, our next Prime Minister was Rajiv Gandhi. Okay. Rajiv Ratna Gandhi was an Indian politician who served as the 6th Prime Minister of India. Okay. He was the 6th Prime Minister. He took office after the 1984 assassination of his mother. That means children, suddenly murder or secretly attack on his mother. Okay. Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. To become the youngest Indian Prime Minister at the age of 40. Okay children, Rajiv Gandhi, he was the youngest Prime Minister. Okay, he became the youngest Prime Minister at the age of 40. 2 times he served as the Prime Minister. Okay, and from the year 31st October 1984 to 31st December 1984. Then second time again he became Prime Minister from 31st December 1984 to 2nd December 1989. Okay children. Now let's see the next Prime Minister. Vishwanath Pratap Singh. Vishwanath Pratap Singh was the 7th Prime Minister of India. Okay, from 2nd December 1989 to 10th November 1990. Understood children? He was the 7th Prime Minister. Okay. Then our next Prime Minister was Chandrasekhar. Okay. Chandrasekhar Singh was an Indian politician who served as the 8th Prime Minister of India. Okay. From 10th November 1990 to 21st June 1991. Okay children? Children, let's see the next Prime Minister. P.V. Narasimha Rao. Okay. Pamulaparthi Venkata Narasimha Rao. He was the Indian lawyer and politician who served as the 9th Prime Minister of India. Okay, he was the 9th Prime Minister. From the 21st June 1991 to 16th May 1996. Okay. Children, our next Prime Minister was Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Okay, Atal Bihari Vajpayee was an Indian politician. He served 3 times as the Prime Minister of India. Okay, he is the 10th Prime Minister of India. In the list, he was the 10th Prime Minister. Okay, 3 times he served as the Prime Minister. How many times? 3 times. Okay, let's see. 16th May 1996 to 1st June 1996. Then the next time he became Prime Minister from 19th March 1998 to 10th October 1999. Then the third time he became Prime Minister from 10th October 1999 to 22nd May 2004. Okay children, understood? Now children, let's see the next Prime Minister. H.D. Deve Gowda. Okay, that is Haradanahalli Dodde Gowda Deve Gowda. He is an Indian politician who was the 11th Prime Minister of India. He was previously the 14th Chief Minister of Karnataka from 1994 to 1996. And he was the Prime Minister from 1st June 1996 to 21st April 1997. Okay. Now, our next Prime Minister was Indra Kumar Gujral. Okay. Indra Kumar Gujral was an Indian politician who served as the 12th Prime Minister of India. Okay, he was the 12th Prime Minister in the list. And he was Prime Minister from 21st April 1997 to 19th March 1998. Okay. Now children, let's see the next Prime Minister. That is Manmohan Singh. Okay. Manmohan Singh is an Indian economist, academic and politician who served as the 13th Prime Minister of India. He was the 13th Prime Minister. Okay. And he was also the first Prime Minister since Jawaharlal Nehru to be re-elected after completing a full 5-year term. Okay, means 5-year period of time. Okay. So 2 times he served as the Prime Minister. Okay, from 22nd May 2004 to 22nd May 2009. Then the second time again he became Prime Minister from 22nd May 2009 to 26th May 2004. Okay children. Now our next Prime Minister is Narendra Modi, that is Narendra Damodar Das Modi. He is an Indian politician who serving as the 14th and current Prime Minister of India since 2014. Okay. 2 times he served as the Prime Minister. How many times? 2 times. From 26th May 2014 to 30th May 2019. Then second time 30th May 2019 to incumbent. That means currently he is in the position of Prime Minister. Understood students? Thank you.